Right, good morning everybody, welcome to another Prep and Adventures video. Today is Monday, the 3rd of January 2022. We're back up on the Quantox, first time this year, start of a new year. It's just about to hit 10 o'clock. Come on, going to cook a bit of lunch, got a new stove, wood burning stove, we're going to try that out. So that's the way we're going to go. Let's go. It's a nice bit of woodland here. It looks like it might not last much longer. I think the tree felling has started. So this ain't got much longer to go, which is a shame. They're one of our favourite spots to come up here. Right to be chopped down. There's a lot more chopped down all over the place. Guessing they're getting ready to take out the lot. Hope not, but could be a chance. That's the way we go. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up. I'll try and zoom in. Yep, there it is, just up in there. With all the tree felling tractors and machinery been parked up because today is a bank holiday, so they're not working today. Just about make them out. I'm not going to bother going up there to see them, but there they are. Not too cold today. We did have the warmest New Year's Day on record, I believe. Tomorrow a cold front comes in, so it will cool down. Today's not too bad though, like I said. It is a bit chilly, but not really cold. It's not too bad. We normally go out for that gate for a look across onto the moors there, but it's been padlocked up today. So we'll have to carry on down here. One of our favourite places to walk. Well, we've been here quite a few times for lunch. A very nice spot it was too. It was a nice little walk along here, which is now just an absolute mud pit all the way up through, completely wrecked. I know these plantations is what they do, but it's still not nice when you see it. Especially when you come to a bit you think is nice and it's nice to come to, and I find it's wrecked like this. Anyway, we're going to stop here and have some lunch. I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so in this case is our new stove. There it is there. Put the case out of the way. Stainless steel. Open up. That one folds down. A little bit of level ground. There we go. So that folds down inside. That's an ash pan. Slides in there. That's your cooking grill. Which I think if you put these little pieces up in there like that, that's where you feed your twigs in, or you could put a little alcohol burner in there, I guess. You can cook something straight on the top of that, sausages, bacon, steak, or put your frying pan or pot on the top of there. There's plenty of sticks around here for us to use. We've had a lot of rain lately, and I'm sure we'll be able to find some dry ones. We're not going to go chopping down trees, mind you, that's what they have been doing around here. I see a lot of sticks on that, dead twigs on that tree there. So we get this lit and we'll see how it performs. Okay, well, a lot of this wood's quite damp, so I'm not going to muck about with lighting techniques and all of that. I'm going to put a bit of paper towel in there. That's a bit of methylated spirit. Get some small twigs and that on there. And we go from there. When we bought this thing, it was absolutely covered in this plastic stuff. It's been a nightmare to get off. There's a few little bits still on there. What I'll do is I'll put this up against it, and hopefully that should dry that lot out once you get it lit, if we can get it lit. Right, there it goes. These things, little twigs and that to start with, and you just work your way up to the bigger stuff. So we've had a lot of rain lately, so it's going to be a tight job to light this, I reckon. But we'll give it a go. Well, that was a lot easier to get lit than I thought it was going to be. Even that damp wood, I suppose because it's off pine. Get some bigger sticks in there in a minute and we'll be ready to start a bit of cooking. We're only going to be boiling water today, it's boiling water stuff. We're not frying steaks or anything like that. So, and I say everything is saturated around here. In the summertime it'll be a different story with this thing. It's going to be this type of area. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, well it's burning away. Fan's on there. In there we got chips. That's microchip that have been vacuum packed in a bag. They're now in water in that pan. Get that boil up. And we'll be able to have chips. Then we'll be having sausage. So sausage and chips today. I don't think it's going to take too long. One thing with these wood burning stoves, there's a lot more to them than just a gas one or a alcohol stove. There's a lot more maintenance and whatnot to keep it going and keep it under control. Right, bring you back in a minute. Right, we're starting to die down a little bit, so we've got some water in there, that's already warm. In go our sausages. That's all we're going to cook today, is some sausages. Put the lid on. And we'll just put that on there like that. Let that water boil for a while. warm those sausages up. That's microwave sausages in those bags. If you've watched this channel before, you would have seen that done. And we'll have some sausages. In fact, I'm going to have a hot dog. I think Ryan's going to have there's a couple of sausages on the plate. Ryan's here with me today. Hello, Ryan. The little ring on the front of that to open it gets so hot you can't touch it with your fingers, so I've got to use the pliers to turn that to open it to feed any sticks in. It hasn't done too bad for what it is, it's only a cheap one. It's doing the job. I'll soon have some sausages. Right, a couple of sausages for Ryan, a couple of hot dogs for me. There you go, Ryan, that's yours.
Thank you.
I'll have a hot dog. I'll bring you back in a minute. Perfect. Well, we've had our hot dogs, Ryan's had his sausages. This thing's burnt itself out now. Stone cold now. Water's still in there. What I'm going to do, even though it's all gone out, stone cold, I'm still going to tip the water over it all. Just to be sure. So I'll tip the water all over that when I'm finished. So close that one up. That one goes down in there. That one goes down in there. So there's the ash pan, there's the grill, the ash pan, that's the bit that folds down. So it's a bit difficult with one hand, and then it all just folds up and go back in there. We've got a bit of ash down here. So what I'm going to do with the water that was left over, that's hot water by the way. I've got a bit more water left in this. Yeah. Just to be on the safe side. Everything's soaking wet around here. Anyway. Next time I use it, I think I'll make sure I got a lot more sticks. And bigger sticks ready for it. But all in all, not too bad at all. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute when we've tidied up. Shoulder bags packed up. So the usual routine, LNT, leave no trace. All the area's been doused with water as you've seen. There's no real sign that we've been here. I think I'm just going to head back over that way. Head back the way we came in, really. Hopefully by the time the spring, summer comes, they'll have finished what they're doing here. That won't be like that. And hopefully they won't have felled all these trees. We shall see. Where we had lunch too in there. I'm now going to head back this way. No rain today. Boots are pretty muddy though. How are your boots, Ryan? Have a look at Ryan's boots. Looking muddy. They were fully waterproofed last night, so we won't get wet feet anyway. Right, bring you back in a minute. That's the way we just come from. That's the way we gotta go. I think I need a drink. I can see the gate in the distance, so we're nearly back at the car. It's only a short video today, first one of 2022, just to test out the new stove. So I'm going to call it over here right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.